What's up, everyone? Picking the right PC case isn't just about looks. It's about airflow, layout, and how well it handles high-end gear. Today's cases bring serious cooling, sleek designs, and builder-friendly features that make your setup cleaner, cooler, and easier to build in. Whether you're going compact, vertical GPU, or full RGB showcase, there's something here to take your rig to the next level. All product links are down in the description. Let's get into it. First up, the Lian Li O11 Dynamic Mini V2 Flow takes everything people loved about the original O11 Dynamic Mini and makes it smarter, sleeker, and better for airflow. Despite only being slightly larger, this compact mid-tower case is packed with builder-friendly features. Out of the box, it comes with 5 pre-installed 120mm reverse blade fans, angled perfectly to push cool air directly to the GPU. The standout design change is the 10-degree slanted bottom, which dramatically improves airflow while giving the case a unique and functional look. On top of that, the protruded mesh side panel allows support for full-size ATX PSUs without sacrificing compactness, making it more versatile than before. Building inside the O11 Dynamic Mini V2 Flow feels refreshing thanks to its modular layout. It supports ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards, plus it's optimized for back connect boards for ultra-clean cable management. Vertical GPU mounting is included, complete with anti-sag brackets, so even heavy modern GPUs are fully supported. The removable radiator and fan brackets simplify installation, while built-in dust filters and tool-less fan covers keep maintenance straightforward. Add in smart cable straps and storage options, and you've got a case that looks clean no matter your skill level. However, with so much glass and mesh, cable management mistakes will be on full display. Overall, the O11 Dynamic Mini V2 Flow is one of the most well-thought-out compact cases on the market, ideal for enthusiasts who want high-end hardware in a stylish, airflow-optimized chassis. Coming in next, the NZXT H7 Flow is designed specifically for PC builders who truly prioritize airflow and cooling performance. Right out of the box, it includes 3 120mm fans at the front, which means solid cooling performance without needing extra purchases. Its mesh panels are well designed, giving the case an open feel while maximizing airflow and keeping dust under control. For gamers and workstation users pushing high-end CPUs and GPUs, this setup makes a noticeable difference in temps. Plus, with support for bottom-mounted fans aimed directly at the GPU, it's a clever option for anyone worried about modern graphics cards running hot. Inside, the H7 Flow is surprisingly roomy for a mid-tower. It can handle large GPUs, big coolers, and even massive radiators, up to 420mm in the front and 360mm on top. That makes it flexible for both air and liquid cooling setups. Cable management is another strength, with wide channels, straps, and hooks built in, which help keep the system clean and easy to work on. Builders will also appreciate the toolless panels, which make upgrades less of a hassle. Overall, this case is a great mix of sleek looks and practical performance. It's not flashy, but the clean design and airflow-focused layout make it a smart choice. For anyone building a powerful gaming rig or workstation where thermals matter, the NZXT H7 Flow is a dependable, builder-friendly option that balances style with substance. Following that, the Haven HS420 is the kind of case that feels like it was built with enthusiasts in mind. Its dual-chamber design isn't just for looks. It's carefully engineered to push cool air straight to the GPU, which is great for high-end cards that tend to run hot. At the same time, the layout keeps the system balanced, ensuring airflow doesn't get trapped. With support for up to 11 140mm fans and space for 3 massive 420mm radiators, it's ready for air or custom water loops without breaking a sweat. Builders who enjoy pushing performance while keeping temps low will really appreciate this flexibility. One of the standout features is the uni-sheet glass panel. It's not just another tempered glass side. It's heat-formed for a panoramic view with minimal distortion. That means the GPU, the centerpiece of any gaming or workstation build, sits front and center with a clean, unobstructed display. Add in the unique Simply Cable routing system, and suddenly even messy cable jobs end up looking pristine. The grooves, stabilizing clips, and included fan hub make cable management feel less like a chore and more like part of the design. Attention to detail is everywhere in the HS420. The vibration-isolated fan brackets, the adjustable GPU support bracket, and the clean symmetry of the layout show that Haven really thought about what builders want. It's not just a PC case, it's a showcase for hardware. For anyone building a premium rig with custom cooling and high-end components, the HS420 strikes the perfect balance of function, aesthetics, and builder-friendly design. Next in line, the Jonsbo Z20, also known as the Jons Plus Z20, redefines compactness by delivering impressive performance without any compromises. With just around 20 liters of internal volume, it still manages to support full-size micro ATX motherboards and long GPUs up to 363 millimeters. Its premium 2mm steel construction gives it a sturdy, high-end feel, while the removable handle adds practical portability. This makes it a great option for anyone who wants a space-saving build that's also easy to move around, whether for LAN parties, office setups, or simply a clean desk aesthetic. Despite its size, cooling support is impressive. The Z20 can handle a 240mm water cooler with a 60mm thickness or a dual-tower air cooler up to 164mm tall. That's rare in a case this compact. The smart internal layout also accommodates ATX or SFX power supplies, offering flexibility depending on the build. Magnetic dust filters on all major inlets, and outlets help maintain long-term stability, while the short air duct design efficiently pushes hot air out. It's clear that the airflow planning was carefully thought out. What stands out most, though, is how builder-friendly it feels. From the removable PCIe slot fixture for easier GPU installation to the adjustable GPU support bracket, every detail seems designed to reduce frustration. Cable management is handled with dual channels, Velcro straps, and clean routing, which is a big win in small cases where cables can easily get messy. Overall, the Jonsbo Z20 delivers premium design, surprising versatility, and enthusiast-level support in a form factor that fits just about anywhere. Rounding out the list, the Height Y70 Touch Infinite is not just a PC case, it's a true showcase piece. With its massive 14.9-inch integrated 2.5K LCD touchscreen, it brings a futuristic vibe to any gaming setup. The crisp resolution, smooth 60Hz refresh rate, and 10-point multi-touch support open up endless customization possibilities. Powered by Height Nexus software, users can display system stats, wallpapers, or even interactive visuals, making the case feel alive. It's a unique feature that adds flair beyond just hardware performance. Visually, the Y70 is stunning. The three-piece panoramic glass panels wrap the build in a cinematic display, letting every RGB component shine through. Available in 4 striking colorways, it blends aesthetics with flexibility. The dual chamber design not only makes the build look incredibly clean, but also hides messy cables with ease. With dedicated routing channels, Velcro straps, and toolless panels, cable management feels effortless. For anyone who loves neat, well-organized builds, this case delivers. Performance-wise, the Y70 doesn't hold back. It supports a 4-slot vertical GPU with a premium PCIe 4.0 riser included, ensuring even massive graphics cards fit beautifully. Cooling options are equally impressive, with support for up to 10 fans and dual 360mm radiators. The cold floor cooling system ensures fresh airflow directly to the GPU, making it ideal for high-end gaming rigs or custom water-cooled builds. Overall, the Height Y70 is the perfect balance of futuristic design, functionality, and performance, a dream case for enthusiasts who want their PC to be as much art as technology. That's a quick rundown of some of the best PC cases available today. Whether you're looking for compact power, excellent airflow, or a stylish showcase build, these picks cover all bases. In the end, the right case depends on your needs and style. Hopefully, this made your decision easier. If you found it helpful, don't forget to drop a like and stick around for more. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.